Hi, we're the Vane family, and these are our parents.
And we're building the Monroe. The best experience so far we had with Shaw Homes is getting to meet with Brooklyn. She was a lot of help, and she was awesome.
Especially the design studio. We have worked with Shelly. She has been wonderful, very patient with us. We walked in here thinking that we're going to be stressed, but she made it stress-free for us. So we appreciate that very much. What sets Shaw Homes away from other builders is that they have more varieties of selection that's already standard.
And other builders, every time you select, it's an upgrade. So basically, Shaw Homes is already where me and my parents already, we like it already. So we don't have to do a lot of upgrades. That's what we like. Yes, I would totally recommend Shaw Homes to friends, families, and
Because they have great varieties of floor plans with reasonable pricings. And Shaw Homes will build the home that you want.
of your dreams.